Right, this is the moment of truth. This is, what you're looking at here is the award-winning pie from Patisserie. They won in 2021 this year the Supreme Award for the best pie in New Zealand. Now, up until now, I've been unable to get it. Either it's run out or the queues outside the bakery have been that long that I haven't persevered. But today I managed to buy one. So let's have a wee look. God, look at that gravy inside that pie and the flakiness of that puff pastry. I'm just going to take the camera off the tripod so we can have a closer look. So there you go, there's the pie. You can see the gorgeousness inside there. Beautiful pastry. This is just going to be probably the best tasting pie I will ever have. And there you go, look at that beef. Look at that beef flaking away. It's that tender. It's actually pulling. Right, I'm going to put the camera back on the tripod because I can't do both things at once. And we're going to try it now. Rightio. Let's give this little beauty a try. Oh dear. Oh wow. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at those big chunks of steak in there. Wow. Well, I've got to say, that did not disappoint at all. I'm going to get tucked into that. I also bought a ground beef and cheese pie also, which also picked up an award, but at a different year. This bakery has picked up so many different awards. My previous video about this bakery had their chicken camembert and cranberry pie, which picked up a gold medal. That's just absolutely gorgeous as well. So look, I hope you enjoyed that. Finally I actually got to taste it, and it was every bit as good as they said it would be, so I'm thrilled. The mince and cheese pie, we'll do a breakdown of that another day, I think, because I don't think I'm going to be able to eat two pies in one day. So I'm glad I eventually got to buy this pie and taste it. That pastry, oh my gosh, these guys are master bakers. Really fantastic. Alright, I will catch you on the next recipe.